Okay, welcome back to Screen Print TV. I just wanted to show you guys my solar setup. I got 4 solar panels. And these are the 4 100-watt solar panel monocrystalline. So we can, okay, let me take you over here in my shop real quick. It's kind of messy in here. Okay, and this is the controller. I think we went over this before. This is my 1500-watt sine wave converter. This is my MPPT solar charge controller. I got a fuse box down here I don't have hooked up, and I got a charger that's whenever it's cloudy or whatever, I can plug it into the grid and they keep the battery charged if it's like cloudy for let's say a week, no sun. And this is my batteries, and I got another one here in the box. I want to add 4 batteries to the system, and it is running this fan here. It's running this fan. That's the only thing it's running right now, just the fan. It's been running the fan all day, and it has not dropped. You can see right here that it is still fully charged. It's putting out 14.5 volts. No, that's the input. It's taking in 14.5 volts, and it's outputting 120 volts at 60 hertz. And as you can see, that's a pure sine wave. It's not a modified sine wave converter. This is our charge controller. See what it's reading. It's got good numbers there. It's pulling in 74 volts, and it's and 26 watts. It's fluctuating between the two. So everything looks good there. And you can see that it's charging real good. So yeah, I'm gonna slowly convert part of my shop to solar. I can't run my dryer off of solar, but hey, I can run my heat press and my vinyl cutter and my heat gun and my lights. Alright, hit the like, subscribe, and comment. I am out.